Alright, we're doing a roof today. You see it's been patched and cobbled together, and it's time for a new one. It's needed a new one for a long time. But here's the first screw. Let's get this thing done. This is going to be a one-man job. Definitely not. Alright, an hour in, we got the rear removed. Most of the attachments, I still gotta take this off, disconnect that from the inside, take this one off, and then the side rails and the AC. So that's where we're at after 1 hour. We'll check back in here in another hour. Alright, just got back from lunch. This is where we're at so far. Everything, this is all disconnected. I just haven't moved it out of the way. And we're pulling up our first pieces of sheeting. So we're gonna get these swapped out all the way down, and then probably call it for today, and we'll come back tomorrow and start doing the membrane. All right, we got the first one replaced. Now we're about to take this one out and cut it. I already took it down, it's down there. I gotta cut the new one. And we're gonna pull this insulation here out and swap it out, and then get the new board back on here. So, one down, 6 more to go. All right, so here's where we're stopping at today. The renter that's living in here just came home, so we got cut a little bit short today. It's all right, we'll be back out tomorrow to do 1, 2, 3 more pieces of decking, and then that front piece of decking up there, I'll do that little sliver last, and then we'll be ready to put the new membrane on. All right, back out here, day 2. Let's get her going. Alright, so we just got that panel off, and something to mention to you guys, while they're in here doing your roof, you should always have them check your AC ducting and make sure that it's all connected well. This seems to be connected good, but you come over here and it seems that maybe a rodent made it in here at some point or something, but yeah, that needs to be patched up because air's coming out of that hole right there straight into the roof. Let's see if I can lean on this without falling through the ceiling. Yeah, so I checked these as I was going, but this is perfect reason why you have them check your ducting while you're doing a roof job. So we're gonna get that fixed up. Alright, so we got these sealed up well again. Got that duct fixed. Got this new board down. Dos más. And then that little strip up front. God damn, I'm slow. But here we go. Alright, so we got all the screws and the seams sanded down, make it nice and smooth. We're gonna put our tape down and put our membrane up here. Yeah. Alright, we're time to get this big old thing up out the box. We're doing a Dicor membrane. I got this from Chip at Universal RV. He's over in Ormond Beach. If you guys need any roof membranes or factory RV parts or anything like that, let me know. I can put you guys in touch. Or he may hop in the comments, I'm sure, if he sees this. But yeah, so let's open it up and get it laid out. First thing you want to do always before you put this down is you want to lay it out from end to end and make sure it's centered. And so that's what we're going to do now. Alright, normally I have a partner here to help me roll this out while I put the glue down. But it's just me, so y'all wish me luck. So one tip I figured out pretty early on is you got to mark the holes where the AC and the vents go, because if not, you might fall through the damn thing. Ask me how I know. What else did we have here? We had some other shit here. It's like right here somewhere. Oh, there it is. You sneaky bitch. Alright, we got half of it laid down and squeegeed down. We're gonna roll this half back and then glue that part down. She's glued down. I'm gonna grab the vents while I still got a little bit of daylight. I'm gonna put the plumbing vent caps on. Alright guys, I'm gonna do a product review for a product I'm not getting paid for. I actually bought these. They're metal replacements for these plumbing vents. And this thing is sturdy as can be. I don't even remember where I got it, maybe Amazon or something. But if you're gonna replace your plumbing vents, get the metal ones. These are all aluminum. Yeah. That ain't going nowhere. Right. God damn it. Fucking goddamn Dicor on everything. God, I hate it. Jesus Christ. Can I not just do one thing cleanly? I'm a fucking disaster. Alright, we're going to put this skylight on. We got this on. I've got that one there to do. I'll probably call it for today with that. So we're going to do a final look up here real quick of how we're leaving it on day 2. Alright, back up here today. Still condensated. I was hoping hanging out, taking a little bit more time to get here today. It would have been dried, but nope. I mean, this thing's parked under a tree anyway, so it's never going to be perfect. I like it at least be clean. I get to take a picture at the end. We got her kind of swept off. And now we're going to put our last few things on here. Guys, I have a bad case of the Fridays. I'm moving super slow. We got the front one on, the rear one on, this side one on, all the attachments with the exception of the AC. So I could probably finish this in like 2 hours. But that's at normal speed. I have concrete in my shoes today. It's Friday. we'll see where I get by the end of the day. All right, folks. We have a new roof. We're done. 3 days from start to finish. We got all the moldings installed. Everything replaced. New. These are the same. That's the same, but we did new vents and skylights. New fridge vent. So if anybody needs a roof done, give me a call. One-man show here, folks.